Formula One shake, unique flavors and limited editions from around the world. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jing here from Authentic Energy. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to a new series I'm doing. It's called Herbalife Around the World series. So basically, every week I'll be looking at different flavors of Formula One shakes or protein shakes, and also different products that you can get from different countries across different continents, across the ocean. And this is actually really fun because you can treat it like a little Herbalife travel thing, right? A travel vlog where, we'll be checking out different products from different countries. And it is actually very exciting to, get to know about, the different products from different countries and their functions and what they do. Okay, are you ready? Stop the drooling, okay? Because I'm drooling already when I look at these flavors. All right, let's see what we got here. So first up, we have peach lychee. Oh my God, I love it. You probably assume that this is a flavor from like Southeast Asia or Asia, because Asians are obsessed with lychee, right? But this is actually a limited edition that's available in the UK right now, and I believe in some European countries as well, right? So this is actually really amazing. I really want to try it. I wish they bring it to North America, so I'll be able to try it. So if you're in the UK, if you're in Europe, you can definitely get your hands on this limited edition, right? So every season, Herbalife releases a limited edition of a certain product, or especially a limited edition flavor for the Formula One shake, right? So you can really take advantage of the limited edition, because this means that this flavor is not always available on the catalog, right? So you do want to jump in and try it, right? And a lot of times, like in North America, the limited edition shakes get sold out so fast. So if there's a flavor, a limited edition you want to get your hands on, you gotta act fast, right? So this is amazing. You can imagine all the different combinations and recipes you can create with it. Oh, amazing. Okay, let me see next. I got quite a few prepared for you guys today, so brace yourselves and maybe get some tissues to catch you drooling, right? And these ones are from, I believe, Colombia, Mexico, right? I only collect the ones that I think are very exotic and very unique, right? And things that we can't get in North America, right? So spice apple flavor and raspberry and white. Okay, sorry, these are not from South America. Okay, my mistake. These are actually from Africa. Okay, so in South Africa especially, you can get spice apple flavor. So I assume it kind of tastes a bit like maybe apple pie, right? Maybe a bit of that, sort of holiday, like spice pumpkin, similar to spice pumpkin, very warm and also very kind of like hearty kind of flavor. So I can imagine if you use spice apple Formula One, you can do some baking. You can make a lot of like amazing dessert with it. Right. And the next one is raspberry and white chocolate. This is amazing. It's also from, I believe it's also from South Africa, right? So correct me if I'm wrong, because sometimes I forget with mom brain, right? So this is actually really amazing. When I look at my, oh my God, yummy, yummy, yummy. You can imagine the kind of like dessert shakes you can make with these flavors, right? Okay, next up from India. Okay, this one, I never tried rose kheer. So this is the rose kheer flavor. I looked it up. It's a type of rice pudding. Okay, so if you're watching right now and if you're from India, please do let us know in the comments what exactly is a rose kheer like. I know it's a dessert, rice pudding dessert, right? And I believe from my research, there's like rose petal in there. Sometimes you put nuts in there as well, cashew or almond. What else is in there? Rice. Yeah, so it's a type of rice pudding. But do let me know if you're from India, like, what is rose kheer really like? And if you have tried the rose kheer flavor Formula One shake, what does it taste like? It must have like a really nice rose water taste, I assume, because I love like Indian dessert that have like, rose water flavor infused. So, oh my God, this is so amazing. I can't wait to try. Yeah, this is also a flavor from India and it's called coffee, right? I actually have tried coffee before at an Indian restaurant. It's so delicious. It's the Indian traditional ice cream. Okay, and it comes in different flavors, but I believe, I'm assuming this coffee Formula One flavor is kind of like your standard vanilla ice cream, maybe, but better, I believe, right? So let me know if you're from India and if you've tried coffee flavor Formula One shake. What does it taste like? Does it actually taste like ice cream, right? Yeah, so Oh my God, when I'm in India one day, I'll definitely get my hands on this Formula One shake. Okay, next from China. I never tried them. Okay. And the thing about Herbalife China, I need to quickly mention is that it's kind of not connected with the rest of the world. So like Herbalife China operates on its own. However, it is, like the official Herbalife, right? But it's in terms of like business model and also distribution of the products, it actually operates on its own, which means that everything Herbalife China can only be operated and traded and running within just the country, like mainland China. Right. So we probably can't get hands on these products unless if we travel to China and we go visit a local Herbalife nutrition club or a distributor and buy from them, right? So as a member, we actually can't go to China and buy directly from the DC, right? Because of the separate system they have there. Okay. So in China, I love these because these are like really good. We call it Yangshen flavor. Yangshen meaning wellness, like, body wellness, longevity therapy type of like, food, like nutrition therapy, right? So we have black sesame flavor, and on the right, we have red bean and koi seed. Okay, koi seed is also known as barley seeds. So like in Chinese cuisine, a lot of times people like to make black sesame paste or black sesame dessert, right? Which is very yummy, but also it's actually really beneficial for our health, such as like kidney health and hair and like nails and also liver health as well. So black sesame has so many like medicinal functions. So imagine having that in the shake. Oh my God, I wish we had it here. But of course, if you don't have it, you can definitely blend black sesame with your like Formula One, like vanilla flavor, for example. I do that every day. You probably have seen from my videos, right? And with the red bean and barley seeds, these are two very popular combinations in like Chinese dessert, right? So a lot of times people would boil these two together in like dessert soup, right? Because both red bean and barley actually work really well together as like a remedy and also as like a medicinal sort of like, not like a medicine, okay, but something like that. It's the type of food that has a lot of healing properties, right? So it's like, it gives your body the warmth, and also it can actually help with like, strengthening immunity, right? So it has a lot of good benefits. So I really love that they really integrate the culture, the local culture into the Formula One shake. Right, still from China. Oh my God, when I saw these, I'm like, I wish I had them. I really want to try them. Matcha flavor. Oh my God, matcha is like the global the global trend right now, right? Everything's matcha. People are going crazy over matcha. So they have matcha flavor, and surprisingly, when I checked on Japan Herbalife website, they don't have matcha there. But in China, they have matcha. So, oh my God, I can't wait. And then you can imagine the possibilities of what you can do with this matcha flavor Formula One shake, right? And then on the right, we have chia seeds and milk tea. This is so funky. It's like a bubble tea, but a healthier version, right? So, oh my God, when I looked at them, I'm like, oh, they're so amazing. You can make so many amazing like shakes to replace like the bubble teas we buy, the boba tea we buy outside, because they're very expensive and they're not that healthy actually. It's just a lot of sugar, right? Sometimes they don't use real milk, just milk powder. So like if you can actually make your own type of like, boba tea with like matcha flavor or chia seed milk tea flavor Formula One, you're getting all the nutrients into your body, but with a funky flavor too. Okay, now let's come back to North America. So if you're already from North America, if you're watching this right now, you probably find it boring. Like, oh yeah, pumpkin spice. We get it all the time, right? So pumpkin spice is actually a limited edition that only drops every autumn, every fall here in North America. And you guys know that pumpkin spice is a very popular like North American drink, right? Like hot beverage, and also you can do pumpkin spice flavor of everything, in fall, basically from fall to like December to Christmas season, pumpkin spice is very popular. You will see it in like all the coffee shops like Starbucks, or even in a lot of bakeries, they do pumpkin spice, like, pies and different, baked goods. So obviously we have the pumpkin spice edition just to accommodate what everyone wants, right? And right now, we have strawberry cheesecake flavor in the US only. So Canadian folks, we can't get them here, right? And I believe strawberry cheesecake has become a staple actually on the menu, a staple on the menu. Yes, so which means strawberry cheesecake is no longer limited edition. I think it came out as limited edition before. Now, maybe due to high demand, everyone's like, I want to have it all the time. So strawberry cheesecake is always on the menu now. And yeah, if you're from the US, you can definitely get your hands on strawberry cheesecake all year round. That's amazing. Okay, so this is Pina Colada. Yes, it's available in, I believe, in a lot of South American countries and also in the US. We don't get this in Canada. I don't know why. Maybe Canadians don't love Pina Colada, right? So it has that beautiful fusion of pineapple and coconut flavor, which I would love to have. But of course, if you don't have it, if you want to like make your own, you can also blend your own like coconut. You can use coconut meat or coconut milk, blend with pineapple, with your normal like Formula One, say vanilla flavor, right? You can also kind of make the same flavor, but I've never tried it. It definitely doesn't come with alcohol, okay? In case you're wondering, you don't want to spike your Formula One shake, okay? That would defeat the purpose of drinking something healthy. Okay, I never tried it, but if you are someone that consumes pina colada, let us know what does it actually taste like. Does it actually taste like just combining coconut and pineapple together? And what kind of stuff that you can do with it? Can you spike it? Okay, now this is from Latin America. Okay, so on the left we have this thing called the Sabor A Rose con Lychee. Okay, excuse my really bad pronunciation. And I've done my research, and then it's kind of like a rice pudding, some type of like pudding with spice, right? So let me know if you're from, I believe this one is from Mexico, all right? So if you're from Mexico, you're familiar with this dessert, right? Let us know what exactly is in the dessert and how does this dessert shake taste like, right? I'm very curious. And on the right, or maybe they're both available in Mexico and Colombia. I can't quite remember, but I know that in a lot of Latin American countries, you can get both, is the chocolate. Coconut chocolate, okay, which also sounds amazing, right? Coconut chocolate makes a great combo, right? And I just found these two like really exotic and really unique to me, because we normally do like the vanilla, right? Chocolate vanilla, cookies and cream, berries, caramel bananas, these are like the normal flavors to us. So if I see anything as exotic like this, I'm like, oh man, I'd love to try them. Right. So do I have any more? I think that's it. Okay. Wow. We have gone through a lot of flavors from around the world, like literally across different continents, right? I mean, we can keep going, but I just feel like, like I want to select like the best, in my opinion, the best, like the most unique and most like limited edition of the shake flavors to share with you guys. And let me know in the comment below, what do you think about the different flavors? Like, what are the possibilities you can see, what you can do with these flavors, right? And if you have tried any of the shakes that I've just mentioned here today, also let us know in the comment, like, do you like them? What do you do with them? Right? And, definitely if I come to visit your country next time in your city, I would love to hang out with you guys. And also I would love to try, the shakes from different nutrition clubs or even go to DC and get them. I do have to remind everybody that if you're a preferred member right now, at the moment, preferred members are not allowed to get products from other countries. Okay. I mean, you can't actually buy Herbalife products and have them shipped to you internationally from, say, Mexico to China, or from like, say, Japan to like UK. Herbalife does not allow that, right? However, if you're a Herbalife distributor, right, if you travel to another country, let's say if you're a distributor from the US and you travel to India, you would like to get the Herbalife Indian products, right? But if you're there locally, then you can actually get access to the local products, right? So just have them shipped to your local address. If you're staying at a hotel, staying with a friend or family, you can actually order them from the Indian website, like from the local website of Herbalife, right? On myherbalife.com, especially if you're a distributor, have them shipped to your, your local address. Then this is a, legitimate way of getting the products of that particular country, right? And then you bring them home to use. So this is what I usually do when I go traveling. I always, check, okay, how can I get the local products? Do I have to go to the distributor center, or do I, have to do the online order, right? So a lot of countries and cities do have Herbalife DC, the distribution center, so you can actually physically go and visit them there and purchase like in person. Okay, so this is our first our first episode of Herbalife around the world. I just felt like this is a fun thing to do, to kind of like take everybody on the tour, a virtual tour of what Herbalife looks like in different countries. And feel free to suggest ideas for me as well, like if you want to see more episodes like this, and if you want to see more about the Herbalife culture, right, the nutrition culture, the communities, the products from different countries as well. I'll be more than happy to do my research and give you guys, like the best experience here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here every Wednesday and Saturday. And of course, if you would like to work with me directly, you can actually check out the links in the description. There are several ways that you can join me. The best way for you to work with me is by joining one of my programs, right? So right now we have the pilot program of Mama Glow, which is designed for moms only. So if you're a mom, you want to be, in the supportive group with other moms as well, to work on your body wellness, to work on your weight management, to work on your body confidence, your mindset, confident mindset. We got your back. Okay, so this is what Mama Glow is designed for. And of course, we have our different options of the nutrition programs you can join. So by joining the nutrition programs, not only will you receive the Herbalife products, you will also receive my coaching and nutrition guide, the meal plan as well, right? So this is something very important to remember. If you want to get your hands on Herbalife products, you have to make sure you get them from a licensed distributor, a coach, right? And also you get the coaching, you receive the coaching and the meal plan from the coach that gives you the product as well, that sells you the product. Okay, so this is very important. All right, that's it for me today, right? Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye.